Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Palmer's Stretch Mark Cream is probably one of the most sought-after products for managing and minimizing the appearance of stretch marks, and in today's video, we're diving deep into a comprehensive review, exploring its effectiveness, key ingredients, and overall user experience. We will analyze its pros and cons, and help you decide if it's the right choice for your skincare needs. I'll share my personal experience and insights, along with tips on how to use it for optimal results. Number 5. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Firming Butter. This rich, luxurious lotion is specially formulated to help restore your skin's elasticity and firmness. It's perfect for use after pregnancy or significant weight loss. It's packed with cocoa butter for deep moisturization, shea butter for essential nutrients, and vitamin E to improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Plus, it has Q10 and elastin for added firming power. We use only the finest natural ingredients, sustainably sourced to ensure both quality and ethical practices. You can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. This isn't just another lotion, it's a treatment. It's designed to help visibly improve your skin's tone and texture, leaving it feeling soft, hydrated, and healthy. For generations, Palmer's has been a trusted name in natural skincare. We use time-tested ingredients to create products that deliver real results. Experience the Palmer's difference. This lotion is a great addition to your postpartum skincare routine. It helps to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Give your skin the care it deserves. What we like. This lotion helps restore your body's firmness, especially after pregnancy or weight loss. It's a great moisturizer for all skin types and has a light, pleasant scent. If you're looking to regain your skin's tone and elasticity after significant body changes, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Goes on very smooth, makes your skin feel nice and hydrated. It spreads smoothly, which is very nice. The consistency is pretty much perfect. This lotion smells good and has been effective. Leaves me smelling good, moisturized, and it has been fading my stretch marks. It relaxes the skin, softens it. It has a pleasant aroma, it is of perfect size. It rends very well. Number 4. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Massage Lotion. This rich lotion is specially designed to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. It's perfect for use during and after pregnancy, or any time your skin needs extra care. Its non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. It's ideal for moisturizing your entire body. This lotion is packed with natural ingredients like cocoa butter, shea butter, argan oil, collagen, and elastin. These work together to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Experience long-lasting moisture with this lotion. It provides up to 48 hours of hydration, helping your skin stay supple and resilient. For over 180 years, Palmer's has been committed to creating high-quality, effective skincare products using natural ingredients. You can trust it to deliver results. It's widely recommended for stretch marks. It helps improve skin elasticity and texture, leaving your skin feeling smoother and more toned. What we like. This lotion deeply moisturizes without feeling heavy, making it ideal for daily use. It's formulated to improve skin elasticity and is perfect for stretch marks. If you need long-lasting hydration and want to prevent stretch marks, this is the one for you. What people say. It keeps my skin super hydrated, absorbs quickly, and leaves it feeling soft and elastic. It absorbs well without feeling greasy and has a light, pleasant cocoa scent. With consistent use, skin feels softer and more supple. Since using this lotion, I've noticed a significant reduction in the appearance of stretch marks. It keeps my skin hydrated and elastic, which is essential during pregnancy. Number 3. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Pregnancy Kit. This kit is your partner for healthy, radiant skin during and after pregnancy. It's a must-have for expecting mothers. It helps improve the appearance of stretch marks and scars. The rich cocoa butter and other natural ingredients will leave your skin feeling soft and supple. It's formulated with cocoa butter, vitamin E, collagen, elastin, and provitamin B5. These work together to nourish and revitalize your skin. It soothes sore, cracked skin while providing deep hydration. Enjoy the luxurious feel of this specially formulated skincare. For over 180 years, Palmer's has been committed to providing high-quality, plant-based skincare. Trust it to care for your skin throughout your pregnancy journey. This 4-piece set includes everything you need for complete pregnancy skincare. It's the perfect gift for any expecting mother. What we like. This kit provides a complete solution for pregnancy skincare, addressing stretch marks and scars. It includes a variety of products to keep your skin healthy and hydrated throughout your pregnancy journey. If you want a convenient and effective solution for all your pregnancy skincare needs, this kit is a must-have. What people say. I love this. Smells good and glides on smoothly. I haven't gotten a single stretch mark except on my breasts, and that's because I haven't been using this on it until recently, as I, for some reason, thought they wouldn't get them, and I was wrong, but they're not bad, and this is keeping it at bay/not as dark. No stretch marks on my belly yet, and I'm 28, almost 29 weeks, and have been using this daily since about 12 weeks. Only have linea nigra below my belly button to my pubic bone, and it's smooth and light. While it won't erase stretch marks completely, made mine far less noticeable and left my skin feeling healthier. I started using this the moment I found out I was pregnant. I am 39 weeks and I haven't gotten a single stretch mark. The 3-step system can seem like a lot, but it's worth it. Number 2. PALMER'S Cocoa Butter Massage Cream. This rich cream is specially formulated to help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. It's perfect for use during and after pregnancy, or any time your skin needs extra care. It's made with a blend of cocoa and shea butters to soften, smooth, and plump your skin. These natural ingredients work together to deeply hydrate and support your skin as it stretches. We use only the finest natural ingredients, sustainably sourced, to ensure both quality and environmental responsibility. It's our commitment to you and the planet. This cream is ideal for use on your tummy, hips, thighs, and bust. It's gentle enough for everyday use and helps to keep your skin feeling soft and supple. PALMER'S offers a wide range of products for all your skin and hair care needs. We're dedicated to providing you with high-quality, natural solutions for healthy, radiant skin. What we like. This rich cream helps improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. It's formulated with cocoa and shea butters to soften and smooth your skin. If you're looking for a targeted treatment to address stretch marks, this cream is a great option. What people say. This cream is not too thick and absorbs nicely into the skin. There is not a strong smell. Overall, great product. It has made my stretch marks less visible and slowly tightening my stomach from being so stretchy and flabby. Went on smoothly, it was easy to apply. Thick formula, I didn't feel like I was rubbing thin watery lotion all over myself. Relaxing to massage in, it gave me a little time to relax every day. Easy to use with vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil has the consistency of honey. Combining the two made my belly feel moisturized, not tacky. Number 1. PALMER'S Cocoa Butter Massage Lotion. This lotion is specially designed to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. It's perfect for use during and after pregnancy, or any time you need extra skin hydration. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, making it ideal for all-over body use. You'll love how soft and smooth it leaves your skin feeling. It's packed with natural ingredients like cocoa butter, shea butter, and collagen to keep your skin moisturized and supple for up to 48 hours. These ingredients work together to support skin's natural elasticity. We use only the finest natural, raw ingredients to create this effective lotion. We're committed to sustainable sourcing of our key ingredients, like shea butter and cocoa butter. PALMER'S is a trusted brand that offers a wide range of high-quality beauty products. This lotion is just one example of our commitment to providing effective, plant-based solutions for beautiful skin. This lotion is widely recommended for stretch mark care during and after pregnancy or weight changes. It helps improve skin texture and tone, leaving you feeling confident and comfortable in your skin. What we like. This non-greasy lotion provides long-lasting hydration and improves skin elasticity. It's widely recommended for stretch marks and comes in a convenient 3-pack. If you prefer a lightweight lotion and want a great value, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Love this brand, use it in all 3 of my pregnancies, and I have minimal stretch marks. The cream provides great moisture that seems to last for a while, unlike other creams that provide moisture only momentarily. The moisture absorbs into skin nicely to provide a soft, not oily feel. From one mom to another, this stuff is magic. I used it my entire pregnancy and still every day even after having my baby. It helped to prevent stretch marks while pregnant. Continuing to use this lotion post-pregnancy has helped to minimize the appearance of my stretch marks. My skin feels so soft after using this, and it remains soft and smooth until I use the lotion again the following day. It does not leave my skin sticky or greasy like some other lotions do. This oil with the lotion was a treat. Very soothing and helped the itching. Smells really good too. I have plenty left over. The bottle goes a long way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.